Hey everybody, this is Silas with Simplero, and today I'm going to show you the fastest way to launch your course online. Simplero has by far the best and easiest all-in-one platform for course and content creators, and I want to show you just how simple it can be. So first things first, we're inside of our Simplero admin dashboard. I'm going to go to sales and then products. I'm going to create a new product and I'm going to create a course. There's a bunch of other types here in our wizard, but we're going to go ahead and just go with a course. We're going to call this the Guide to Rocket Surgery. Let's cut up some rockets. Ooh, fun. Cool. I'm going to choose a file from my desktop. I'll just go ahead and upload this. And this is going to be the card image, the product card. It's going to go with the course. This is going to be the image associated in Simplero with this course and product. And we're going to leave it unlisted because we just want quick, easy, straight to market. Don't have to worry about that. And we're going to could leave that price at $99. You can change it to whatever you want. You can make it an installment type price, subscription type price straight from here. But another key piece is what site. Now, you may not want it on your main website. Let's say you want it on like a client portal. We'll just make a site right now. The Definitive Guide to Rocket Surgery. And boom, we've created its own site for it to live on. So once those are all done, got it all sorted there, we're going to go ahead and hit continue. And boom, here we are. We have our product. We have this content tab of our product, which is telling us that this product gives access to this site and this course. We'll look at those in a second, but I just want to show you how quickly this happened. It's already done, and you can literally take this order form here and share it with your followers, subscribers, customers, and now they're already buying your course, right? Connected. That took me less than 2 minutes. Everything's already scaffolded out and built for you. There's some other assets here you might want to play with. If you don't make a sales page, we will give you a simple one based on, again, your style guide. So you're going to notice here, this is a theme. A lot of all of our defaulted pages are built based on the style guide that you have connected to your site, like these button colors, the typography, stuff like that. So product's done, already connected. Everything's good to go. There are some configuration settings you may want to play with. You should definitely look at those before you're ready to fully go live. But everything is already set up for you. So if we go back to this content tab here and we wanted to actually see what we created just now, we can see if I click this button here, this is going to be the site that the course lives on. Again, there's some settings here. Take a look at those. But for all intents and purposes, this is ready to go. If I wanted to look at it, boom, it's already been filled with a feed page, a forum, a leaderboard, a member directory, and then the courses. All of this is editable, of course. You can add or remove all types of navigation items. But here's my course. It's already been built. If I go inside of it, we got 0 lessons. Nothing's in there inside of there yet, but we can easily change that. But everything is here, right? The product gives access to the course and the modules and lessons. So if we go back, again, here's the site. If I wanted to see the course settings themselves, I could click here from the product. And here's our course, right? It's set to dripped, meaning purchase of this item gives access to this site and this course. We got a module already here for you. Let's just give it a lesson 1. Save that bad boy. Let's try adding another module. We'll create this guy, call it lesson 1. And there we go. We got some content in there. If we wanted to go back to our rocket surgery course tab, we can see that content is now here. Your customers will come in and they will be able to immediately consume your course content. That's simple. We did that in under 5 minutes. There's, of course, going to be some settings you want to check, but this is by far the fastest, easiest, and most intuitive way to get your course live online. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, come check us out at simplero.com. Have a great day.